drowning in employee data and tedious manual entry. Let's rescue you by importing your employee list directly from Excel into Peachtree. First, ensure your Excel sheet's column headers match Peachtree's employee fields like name, address, and social security number. Now, in Peachtree, go to the File menu. Select Import, Export, followed by Import Records. In the Select Import Type window, choose Employees and click OK. Click the Browse button and locate your Excel file. This is crucial. The Map Fields window appears. Carefully match each Peachtree field on the left with the correct column from your Excel file on the right using the drop-down menus. For example, match employee name to the employee name column in your Excel sheet. Next, go to the Options tab here. Decide how Peachtree should handle errors. Like if a required field is missing, you can choose to skip the record or stop the import entirely. Also, specify what Peachtree should do if it finds a duplicate record. Ready? Click the Import button. Peachtree will then process your data and import the employees. Review the newly imported employee list to confirm all data transferred accurately. Correct any discrepancies manually within Peachtree. You have now streamlined your payroll setup, saving time and minimizing errors.